Gandhiji, the party Congress. Then who came as Prime Minister? Then who came as Prime Minister is P.V. Narasimha Rao, who said that we want to give some special scheme for the children of the village. The children, when they go to school in the village, they are hungry, they don't have food. So we will start giving them the food in the afternoon. Annapurna Antyodaya Yojana. It started by whom? P.V. Narasimha Rao. Party's name is again Congress. Then when Manmohan Singh ji came as UPA PM, our chairperson was our Madam Sonia Gandhi. Both of them decided that we have to give work for the people, poor people of India. Manrega, NREG, they only attack our people who has given their lives for India, for secularism. So today, in what juncture we are here in Kerala, the local body we should take as semi-final. And I'm sure in Kotal, out of 11 panchayats, we had already some panchayats with us. We had some corporators with us. But what about the entire package? What the LDF government is doing over here? Any new scheme they have given? Or they are stopping the scheme? Tiruvanchur Radhakrishnan is sitting over here. For the beautification, he made a beautiful sky path, which is just standing as a memory. It has not started. Out of vengeance, this LDF government came and they stopped it. It was almost done. You can go to Thrissur and find there is also another sky path. But here, they didn't allow it. Why? Tiruvanchur Radhakrishnan ji had started it as minister. So they should not allow it or give it any permission. So this kind of scheme they do. Today we can ask this LDF government, why in Kerala, drug is just going out of the way. Why in Kerala the youth has no job? Why the youth are getting frustrated? And why in front of the school also the drug has been sold? It is the responsibility of the state government to see they are not looking for it. They have schemes. What scheme? They can put their own people in Devasam board, their own cadres, their own MLAs, ex-MLAs, their own leaders, and they will steal the gold of Sabrimala temple. This is their scheme. What is their other scheme? That the youth will go out of Kerala to make their future, to have their own future going to in the Gulf countries or outside Kerala, outside India, or even to Karnataka, to Telangana, to Tamil Nadu, and going for their future and not having any job over here. What about the tourism? Kerala could be, we always say it's God's own country. But what is happening here? There is no scope of tourism. We can flourish huge tourism over here, but we are not doing it. Is it not the responsibility of the state government? Now, local body is having their only work in the local areas. The main problems, roads. Main problems, drinking water. Main problems, electricity. Main problems, street lights. Main problems, all the schemes by the central government has to be implemented in the local body. But it is not happening. Today we have seen that few months before, Minister was putting his photo in the reel and showing how beautiful Kerala is, and today in Kollam the NH66 has collapsed. So it is my earnest request. I am very thankful that we are actually having a very good set of candidates this time. I will just give two examples of two of our candidates in Kerala. One person, she is from a fisherman community. Her husband is bedridden. Her father is also bedridden. Her mother sells fish door to door, and that is the source of income. And this courageous girl is standing with UDF, and she is one of the candidates we have chosen from Congress Party to give people this impression that this is the struggle she is doing in her personal life, and she will stand with the people of Kerala. Another girl, an ASHA worker. The government is not paying for the ASHA workers. She has come forward and she said, if you allow me, I can be a candidate. We have selected her as candidate. Do you know what her family? They stay in one room, which is also not properly done. Her father is bedridden out of brain stroke. Her husband, every week, he is going for dialysis. And this girl is standing smilingly and saying, I will work for my own ward people. I am Congress candidate. I will fight for UDF. And I will make Kerala a different Kerala, what UDF is looking for. These kind of candidates we have given. One candidate is teaching in engineering college. And what the LDF is saying,